This is All-Star Resorts in Disney.
Christmas Disney.
Christmas
Yes.
Disney, yeah.
Hotel Christmas Disney.
Ayan, All-Star Sports. Okay, makita.
More stars.
Yeah. Yeah, so naka-check-in na kami online. So we just need to find our room.
Building 4 is where we're.
Okay, we're gonna look for
finding
building.
Third floor this time. Look at the room number somewhere anywhere.
It says 10. Oh,
Just to
9, 10.
going around.
What?
Alright guys, nandito na kami. We found our building. Ayan, ayan siya. So, dyan yung aming room. So, we're gonna stay there from today, Friday, until Monday. Yan. So, let's go, Colton! Hi! I like it because malapit lang siya, oh. Dito kami nakapark.
Mike.
Yeah, hold on. What hurts? Alright, here we are, guys. Welcome to Cena family. Hi, Colton. Last time we were here was about a month ago. It's a cool place. Hindi pa kami nakakain. No breakfast, no lunch. Well, Colton did, pero kaming mag-asawa, wala pa. Gutom na ako, B. Pero, here we are. And, andoon yung kanilang pool. Tapos, at night, meron silang movie nights. Ayan. So, may mga piniplay sila ng mga Disney movies. Yan. And, last month, nandito kami. Ito yung aming, dito yung room namin sa building na to. Na yung ating swimming pool. Tapos, yung kainan nila, yung parang food court, nandito. So, dito kami pupunta. We're gonna see what we can find. Kung ano yung bet namin kainin for sort of lunch, breakfast, lunch, and dinner na rin. Kasi it's already, not really dinner. It's only 3:27. Drinks, ito. If you want drinks, alcoholic. So, ito na yung ating food court. Ayan. Colton. So, ito, to your right, your coffee if you want more creamers, sugars. Ayan. You see caution? Okay. So, what did you do? Okay. Ito na yung pinaka-food court, mga B. Mga sweets, desserts dito, sa area na to. I see mga cakes, ganun, or whatever else. Ito naman yung if bet mo yung Asian food, ito. Marami sang mga entrees na mga Asian food. So, meron silang sesame chicken, Mediterranean meatball bowl, beef and vegetable. Colton, come on, bud. And kung gusto mo naman yung mga American type of food like pizza, yan, dito ka sa area na to. And then they have mga desserts there and fresh fruits, drinks as well. So yun, tapos dito ka magbabayad. Close-up view. Oh, they have sandwiches.
Sandwiches,
Yeah, salad, sandwiches. How much? $12.99. Turkey and provolone. Yeah. They're mostly, ito naman yung mga salads nila. $9.99. Couscous cup. $7.99. Ito yung parfait. And then meron silang fresh fruits. They've got yogurts.
You want chicken? Here, this. And then the strawberry yogies and the apple slices.
Disney World.
Yeah. He wants me to take this apart a little bit so it's bite-sized for him. This is chicken strips with pineapple salsa, something like that. And kay Daddy, what did you order, Daddy?
Taco.
Nachos. Up, kain tayo. Dito tayo sa arcade. Where's Colton? And isa to sa mga favorites ni Colton na laruin. Daddy's gonna buy a card. Like katapat lang siya ng food court. Marami naman silang mga games. Tapos may attendant talaga sila. Nice. Ayoko lang itutok yung camera. Medyo shy pa rin ako mag-vlog publicly, but I'm trying. Lalo na kasi dito sa Amerika, some of them, medyo, maselan sa mga ganito na ayaw nila sa video. Especially nang walang permission nila. So, I'm trying to be very careful about this. Look at this, guys. Oh, that is cool.
Daddy can have his own bed.
Yes! Look, Colton! Foldable siya. That's cool. Oh, I like this. It's soft. Tapos ang cute. Look.
That's what about?
Oh, diba? And I love how we have so many pillows. 6, tapos may dalawa doon. 2. Yeah, Colton!
I got 2 beds.
You get 2 beds. Now what?
Now you can jump.
Oh,
Oh, yes.
yes, of course.